guys, and welcome to Boracay. We are in Boracay right now, and it has been a very hectic day because we arrived here maybe like 10 a.m. or 9 a.m. and we can only get into our rooms by only at 3 p.m. so we have just been hanging out. You know, you can't shower, you can't do anything till you get to the room. So we left Manila at 4 a.m. last night. We went out last night and came back really late too. So we left Manila at 4 a.m. we got to the airport because you have to go to the airport 3 hours before your flight. So we go to the airport and on time, everything on time. We got here, it was a 1 hour flight, and then when you leave the flight, the rest of the journey is on boat. From the boat you come by bus. The bus dropped us, and the thing is, we had to book a travel agency that helped us to organize all of this. So they booked the hotel, everything was inclusive in the package. They booked the hotel, they booked the activities we are going to have tomorrow and everything. So they actually took care of us from the airport, everything inclusive, including the flight from Manila to Boracay. And they took care of us. They dropped us off, then they put us in the boat, they picked us up with the bus and then brought us to the hotel. And that's what I'm saying, that it has been hectic because we could only get into the hotel at 3 p.m. Imagine just hanging around from 10 a.m. to 3. It felt like 3 days, and we could not do anything because we didn't shower. From when we came back last night, we just woke up in the morning, and unfortunately for me, my period came. I knew my period was going to come at this vacation because my period is just the saddest. My period hates anything that makes me happy, so I knew it was going to come. So I was not feeling okay. The whole ride, the whole plane flight, the whole flight, I was not feeling okay. I just said, okay, let's just soldier this through. So right now we want to go to the beach just to check the beach out. I'm all dressed up. We want to go to the beach to check the beach out because most of the activities that we paid for will be available tomorrow. So we just want to see what we can do on our own. Maybe. So this trip was actually booked through an agency, Captain Travel Agency. So they have been the one taking care of everything. They took in the package, we had the hotel, we had the transportation, the flight, everything inclusive, and then the activities we are going to do tomorrow, which I still don't know. I just know some that we are going to do tomorrow, and so everything came in the package. But when we got here, we have just been hanging around. Now is, what time is it? I think it's like 4. So I just finished taking a shower and we want to go check out the beach, just because we don't have anything doing and we are just around the beach. I think the beach is just maybe 4 minutes away from here. The beach is 4 minutes away from here, so we want to go and check out the beach and then take some pictures, see if we can have like lunch or maybe late dinner, or sorry, a late lunch or an early dinner, because we have not eaten all day. We had breakfast, but it's breakfast and it's almost 4 and we have not eaten. So I think that's what we are doing now. I did a room tour, so I don't know if I should attach it before or after this. So, however the editing of this video goes. So this room was supposed to be for Ian and I. We were supposed to be 4 of us, Ian and I, Honey, then Belvis, and Ian could not make it. Ian could not make it because we had so many things going on, and like I said in the other video, they were asking for too many things just for her to come to Philippines. I felt like that was too much, so I promised her something else or somewhere else. So it's just me, and I had to occupy the room that was meant for the 2 of us. The hotel is not bad. I think I actually made like a hotel tour video. I made a room tour video. So we are going to go try to see, like, to look at the beach and then just try to get some pictures. So I'm going to go meet, I have to go meet Belvis and Honey in their room, then we can go. We're at the beach and I think I just caught a cold. I cannot believe it.